Hello everyone, my name is Anna DeToro and I'm a Master's of Plant Health Management student, and today I will be discussing the issues that are relating to neonicotinoids that are linked to honeybee death and possibly more. The issue article that I will be focusing on today is called Pesticides Linked to Honeybee Death Pose More Risks. And in this article, it states the European Commission in 2013 banned the use of three neonicotinoids. And these neonicotinoids are killing the beneficial predatory insects, and it also harms pollinators. So they're trying to figure this out and possibly banning this. And it also states in the US these products are being employed to many companies, and the main companies include Syngenta and Bayer Crop Sciences. But we're really focusing on how these pesticides are linked to honeybee death and possibly more. Okay, so the first article that's defending my issue article on neonics that are potentially increasing honeybee mortality is the article of neonic pesticides and nutritional stress synergistically reduce their survival in honeybees. So in this article, it pretty much just states in the results that honeybees that have been in contact with neonics have nutritional deficits, and they overall consume less sugar, and in return, they also have lower glucose levels. The next article is neonic pesticides can reduce honeybee colony genetic diversity. So in this article, it has in the results that the effective mating was significantly higher for controlled queens compared to the treated queens with the neonics. And also the queens exposed to the neonics during development mated with significantly fewer drones at the same time. And all around, with being introduced to neonics and having that exposure, the queens may induce negative effects for many years, even after the initial exposure of neonicotinoids. My third article is the temporal dynamics of whole body residues of neonics, insecticide, imidacloprid, and live or dead honeybees. And in this article, it states in the results that following intake of imidacloprid feeding solution of the honeybees showed significant spasms and appeared to be immobile and lifeless. In the next article, it's a worldwide survey of neonics in honey. So in the article, we tested multiple samples, and 75% of these samples were tested positive for neonic compounds. Out of this, 45 of the samples contained 2 or more of these compounds of neonicotinoids, and then 10% of the samples contained 4 or 5 compounds of the neonicotinoids. So there's a lot of compounds of these neonics in the honey. In summary, from the articles that were previously stated, it all came to the conclusion that neonics do increase mortality within honeybees. Just some highlights of this. Neonics reduces honeybee survival, sugar consumption, glucose levels, queen mating, and they have negative impacts of long-term on honeybees, induces spasms and mortality of honeybees. And then we also have the 75 samples of honey contain neonic compounds, all supporting, the original claim that neonics are linked to honeybee death and possibly more that we don't know yet. Here is my citations for the articles that were posted. All right, thanks everyone for listening.